Hi everybody. I'm going to do a little tile with my red colors and my new piggies I just got. I'm going to use some white background. The two new colors I just received is Athenia, which is a pretty pinky gold color. And I got some maraschino. Take that name off there. This is the maraschino, and this is the Athenia. It's like a goldy pinky color. It's really pretty. And I'm going to use some fairy floss. And I'm going to use some Deco Art Burgundy. Getting into the red theme. I'm going to put a little bit of paint underneath just to hold my paintings or my tiles so it doesn't slide around. Hopefully it should be okay. It's a little bit wet. I just washed it. All right, I'm going to put this burgundy down. Don't need much for this little tile. And then I'll put some fairy floss. And then I'll put some Athenia. See how pretty that is? The consistency. And I got a bit of the, okay, now I'll use my maraschino. I'm going to use black cell activator. And I'm going to try something. I got some white Artist Loft metallic. I'm going to put some underneath just to see. Instead of white cell activator, I'll use just some white paint. I don't know if I put too much. I don't want too much white, but hey, you never know. We'll see what happens. I don't usually put white in my paintings unless it's a cell activator. All right, let's try this. Wow, it's pretty. Except for that part. I don't like that part. We'll see what it looks like when it all comes back in the middle. Getting fussy with my blooms. When I first started doing blooms, if I got anything near that, I would be ecstatic. I wouldn't care. It would be like, oh my goodness, I did it. Look at those cells. But the more you do it, the more you perfect it, the more you get fussy. It's a big, big journey, that's for sure. It was a long journey. But I just love doing them, that's for sure. And the possibilities are endless. It's really nice. Yes, it did work out well with that white paint underneath. That was white, Artist Loft metallic white. I think these blooms like metallic paints. That's for sure. Hold it up for you. See the middles coming back together. Let's see if I can zoom you in a little more. Okay. Let's see if it's moving much. Look at that cell, white and red and white. It's amazing. See, I fixed that spot that I didn't like. Swirl it. Okay, I think it's probably just about ready to spin. Again. This would look so nice on a heart. I did a little heart. I need a big heart. The Athenia's all here is really pretty. Not much over here. It's funny how you get it all on one side sometimes. Okay, I think it's pretty good now. It's not moving. So I like it the way it is, and I'm going to leave it. So I hope you like this one. Give those colors a try. Turns out awesome. So if you want to see how I mix my paints or my recipes, look in the description under the video. There's some links to other videos and recipes. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell and comment. And I'll see you in the next video. And I'll put the dried result at the end. Have a good day. Hi everybody. Here's my dried tile. Dried really good. There's a little bit of a crack up here, but I can fill that in. I'm not sure if my paints were too thick on the bottom, I didn't get enough off, or it's too cold down here. I'm not sure. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.